Hi everyone, this video will help you create a warm-up attendance assignment so that you can track your students' attendance every day. So I'm going to start by going into my team, so I'm already here, and I'm going to click on the Assignments tab at the top. Alright, now once that loads, I'm going to click Create Assignment. And I'm going to title it with the day I want to take attendance for. So I'm going to do 323 warm up, attendance. And you can put instructions here. It's not totally necessary because the instructions will also be in their attachment, but you're welcome to add in. So you can put open the attach to, it's been a long day, I can't type anymore. Okay, so you click Add Resources, and this is where they're going to actually complete their warm-up or answer. So you want to keep your warm-ups really short, I would suggest, just because you're going to have other tasks for them to do and you want it to be quick and easy. You can take attendance even if they haven't completed it, because you will be able to see whether or not they viewed the assignment, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So I'm going to click New File, and the easiest way I found to do a warm-up is to click Word Document, and I'm going to title it the exact same as the assignment name, just for consistency. And then I'm going to click Attach. Now once that loads in, you want to leave it so that it says students edit their own copy, because if you change that, they won't be able to edit it anymore. And then you're going to click on it, and what you're going to get is a blank Word document. So as soon as that loads up, you'll put some simple instructions at the top. So I'll probably title it the same. So 323 attendance. And then I'm going to put, for me, my students are going to complete their Google a Day assignment, which is a really quick Google assignment where they can use their searching skills to find the answer to one of the Google challenges. Whoops. No, I would normally have that as a link, but for this purpose I'll just leave it. So I'm going to put complete your Google a Day challenge and put your answer below, but you probably want to put something that relates to your content area. And that's it. It just doesn't have to be anything fancy. So once that's in there, I don't have to click a save button or anything. I just click close and it will save automatically. And now you can assign points. I guess if you are counting this as warm-up and a grade, you would put points. For me, I'm going to just put 5 points. So they're going to get 5 points a day for doing a Google a Day. And you can push this out to all of your teams at once if you want. Now I have all my mods listed here, but I'm going to condense all of these later into just a couple, one for each prep. So you can just select the multiple ones that you want to push it out to, and then you're going to make sure you change the due date to that day. So I will put Monday's day, and I want it due right before midnight so that students have all the way up until midnight to complete their assignment. Now down here, this is very important, because if you don't edit this at the bottom, your students will be able to do attendance any day. So you want to make sure that you put the due date here, and you want to make sure you close it. So you click a close date, then it will no longer be available after that time and date. Now this is a really great part where you can pre-schedule all of your warm-ups for the week, and they won't post until you tell them to post. So I could schedule this, like right now I don't want it to post tomorrow morning. I want to schedule it to post on Monday at 8 a.m. when the school day starts. So you can make all of your warm-ups, say, on a Sunday if you want, and have them only push out right when the day starts that particular day. So I'm going to click Done. And I think I'm all set. That's all I got to do. And I'm going to click Schedule. If you click Save, it will save it as a draft. It will not send it out. So make sure if it's ready that you click Schedule. And now you'll see it right here. It's scheduled and it hasn't popped up. So once you have these done, like say on Tuesday, if I want to mark attendance for Monday, I would click on it and it would list all of my students and tell me whether or not they viewed it. So I'll show you a little bit what that looks like. I'll click on a previous assignment. So it would tell me here if I have to grade these. You don't really have to put a grade in here unless you want, but take a look right here where I can see who has turned it in. That means they've both viewed it and completed it. This means they've only opened the assignment, so they did go in, and that tells me that they were here that day, but they didn't actually do the assignment I asked them. So maybe I would mark them present, but I wouldn't give them points for that assignment. Now you might ask yourself, well, I want to sort this by who hasn't viewed it, because that would be a much faster way to take attendance. And you can do that right here by filtering. So you click on status and it will quickly filter it and show you the ones who have not viewed it or turned it in. So if it has this on here, it means not only have they not done the assignment, but they didn't even look at it. So that is a really quick way for you to see who did not show up that day into your warm-up attendance assignment. You can also go back and filter it by name instead if you prefer to be alphabetical. So whatever's easier for you. And then you can put a grade in there if you'd like, or you can just put the grade directly in Focus. So I hope this helped explain a little bit more how to create your warm-up attendance assignments each day. But again, the fastest way to do it would be to pre-schedule these a week in advance if you can, just to save yourself some time, and that way you don't have to remember to post it every morning. And you don't risk the chance of forgetting. So as always, feel free to email me, text me, or call if you need any help. I'm always available, and I will talk to you later.